I could probably go faster than this, but some idiot was in the left lane going like 30 miles per hour, and so I lost all my freaking momentum. Yo, good morning, boys. Welcome back to another video. Wow, that is a nice truck. Check that bad girl out. Let's see it. Shoo-wee, son. Goodness. But good morning, boys. Welcome back. We are in Clackamas, Oregon, which is where I delivered in my last video. We are about to pick up this morning, and this load is going to, I think it's called Tulsa. It is a suburb to Phoenix, so we're pretty much going to Phoenix. I think it's like 1,300 or 1,400 miles, somewhere around there. This place I checked in this morning, they had me park on the street like this guy, which kind of sucked, but they just gave me a door assignment, so we're gonna go see if we can get it in. Here she is. It's called Why More Transfer, and she said around back, so I might have made the wrong turn, to be honest, but we're about to find out. All right, looks like we made the wrong turn, but that's okay. It was around back, but I think if we go around this way, it'll set us up for a blind side. I mean, not a blind side, a side back, so we'll be able to see better. By the way, I have the 360 camera on the mirror, and then I have the head mount, so you guys let me know what you like better. I like the 360 camera. I feel like it picks up a lot. We gotta go right here, by the way, door 33. There's a... It's gonna be pretty easy. There's a lot of room. I wonder if this train track is active. I doubt it. Right through the customer where trucks are backing. That sounds like a disaster. All right. There's really nothing on the right side besides like a pole. Bella, watch out. I can't see on my mirror, girl. Lay down. But we should be fine. Oh yeah, it looks like we're about to clear it. If I just put a lot more rod into it. I need some more rod. Now I need to get underneath it and make sure I'm gonna clear these poles over here. Let me get out. Not get out, but let me look. Oh yeah, she's pretty close. I think we should be fine still. I'll just keep an eye out for that pole over there. Gotta watch the back of my trailer too, though. It's definitely close, but we cleared it. Might have to pull up and to the right here, and then that should do it for us, maybe. We're still a little crooked. I think if I go all the way back, I should be able to fix it. Just like this. Now we should be able to pull up and fix it. And I still got to get out and open my doors. We had to do a couple pull-ups, but that's alright. We got it in there, and that's the important part. Let's go open these doors. Yo, good morning, boys. It has been a long 2 days, for me anyways. For you guys, it was a couple seconds. But yeah, we got shut down in Northern California, right at the Oregon state line, because they had a bunch of snow come through, so they ended up shutting the interstate down. And yeah, I was there for like a day and a half, which sucks. I was supposed to deliver this load this morning in Phoenix, Arizona, but as you can see, we're not there. I'm in, I think this is called the Grapevine. It's like an hour north of Los Angeles. If I'm wrong, someone correct me, but pretty sure this is what this is called. And it looks pretty sweet. It's just like these smooth, super green mountains. It's pretty dope. But yeah, we're going 27 miles an hour up this hill. I could probably go faster than this, but some idiot which he was in front of this truck, but I guess he's on up the mountain. But he was in the left lane going like 30 miles per hour, and so I lost all my freaking momentum, and so I had to hop over in the right lane. And you know, I don't want to be one of those guys that hop over in the left lane, because you know, since I lost my momentum, I'm sure I could probably gain speed, but it's gonna be so slow I'm gonna end up slowing all these guys trying to come up the mountain, and I don't want to make them lose their momentum like that jerk did to me. So we're just gonna chill over here. It's not a big deal anyways. I'm not in a huge rush. So but yeah, man, that's what's been going on. We got shut down because of snow, so I haven't really recorded anything. So hopefully this video doesn't turn out too bad. But we got 320 miles. I think I'm gonna stop at the Loves because I don't deliver till 9 a.m. in the morning and give me a shower. But it's pretty much all we're doing. We gotta try to get through California, this 55 mile an hour BS. It's crazy how much of a difference that makes in like your mileage for the day. I mean, I drove pretty much, I think when I parked yesterday, I had like 20 minutes left on my clock, and I made it like 530 miles, which is just terrible, dude. Like, absolutely terrible. I mean, I normally drive like, I don't know, 620 miles a day. You know, not every day, but that's what I aim for usually. And some days even more than that. I mean, shoot, but not in California. That crap's impossible here, so we gotta try to get through LA traffic and all that nonsense and get on down the road. Boys, I feel like I just got let out of prison, man. Release the shackles. You guys see that speed limit? Oh my gosh, it feels so nice, dude. That was a horrible 2 days, man. Where's my welcome to Arizona sign? Where's it at? There it is. Welcome to Arizona, the Grand Canyon State. Yes, sir. F you, California. Morning, boys. We made it to the Costco, but yeah, they make you park over here, and then they give you this buzzer thing, like when you go to the restaurants, you know, and there's a wait, and they hand you a buzzer and it starts vibrating whenever you're ready to be seated or whatever. It's the same thing, except it has you guys probably can't see that, but it's supposed to tell you your door number when it goes off. Every Costco has these, at least every Costco I've been to. Actually, the last time I went to Costco was with CFI. That's how long it's been. So, but yeah, we're just waiting on that buzzer thing to go off, and then we're gonna back up to the door. Huh, Bella? You ready? All right, boys. We finally got a door. Door 94 right here. Super easy. Let's see what this yard dog's doing. I don't know if he's trying to get that spot. No, he's waiting on that guy. But yeah, there's no trailer on the left side. It's just open, so it's just gonna be pretty easy. Get her done. Trying to watch out for that yard dog. Oh yeah. I had to pull up a little bit, but just wanted to make sure I was good on my other side over there. Not trying to hit anybody. Now we can pull forward, straighten it up just a tad. And bam, boys. Real easy dock here. I actually might get out and take my landing gear out. I mean, not my landing gear, my shoot, I forgot what they're called. My load bars out. You don't know my name yet, one day you will.
Say this game so fake, yeah, but maybe I'm too real. You know what they do for fame, girl. You know these boys would kill.